interrupting you. We're getting a major breaking update as far as the official statement that is now concerned, that is coming in from the President's office. Let's break that for our viewers. Now, the President goes on to say, as the Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi, met the President today and tendered his resignation along with the Council of Ministers, the President has accepted the resignation and has requested Shri Narendra Modi and the Council of Ministers to continue till the new government assumes office. So, Pragya, that is now, as far as the caretaker Prime Minister, if it is right to use the term for Prime Minister Modi now, as he is now officially tendered his resignation and, of course, in a few days will be sworn in for the third time.
Well, this is the sequence of events that we had told our viewers straight in the morning, that there will be a cabinet meeting followed by the Council of Ministers meeting, and after that Prime Minister will go and tender the resignation and also submit the resolution saying that this is a dissolution of 17th Lok Sabha. This is exactly what Prime Minister has done. He has met the President and he has tendered the resignation. After this there is an NDA meeting, and after that NDA meeting, when he gets the letter of support, and day after, on 7th there is a legislative party meeting of NDA. Prime Minister will be chosen as the leader of the NDA. With the letter of support, along with the leader of NDAs, he'll go to the President and stake claim. President will obviously invite Prime Minister, as BJP is the largest political party, single largest political party emerged from 2024 Lok Sabha election. But this is all part of the procedure. Finally, now Prime Minister this is a caretaker government right now, and they will ensure that after they submit the letter of support and also stake claim on the government, the swearing-in ceremony is on 8th and followed by many. There are three more
swearing. To Priyank as well right now. Pragya, please to stay on with us. As far as the statement from Rashtrapati Bhavan is now concerned, Priyank, if you can take us through the details, please.
Yes, certainly. The statement which has come out from the Rashtrapati Bhavan is quite clear that the PM has tendered his resignation along with Cabinet Minister, and as Pragya was already telling to our viewers, that this is an official process which need to be followed before formation of any of the government. Going by the statement which have come out from the official sources suggesting that the Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi met the President today and tendered his resignation along with the Council of Ministers, which is also important to be noted that the letters from the Council of Ministers was also along with this. The President has accepted the resignation of and requested Shri Narendra Modi and the Council of Ministers to continue till the government assumes to office.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.